One of my favorite du'as to ask Allah, which I make probably every day to Allah. It's such a quick du'a. It's such a du'a that, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught this to a sahabi. It's from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It's very quick. You can make it. And it's like you can make it on the go. Even if I've got like few seconds, I make this du'a. Okay? It's one of my favorite du'as because the Bedouin heard the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam make a long du'a. He made a long du'a. And the Bedouin said, Messenger of Allah, it's going to be really difficult for me to remember all of those du'as you made. I wish I could remember everything you said. So I could also say the same thing, right? That's like, we're like the Bedouin right now. Oh, Messenger of Allah, you made so many wonderful du'as. He said, can you tell me something that is going to be easy for me like to make du'a? And the Prophet ﷺ gave it to him. It's a wonderful du'a. He said, make this du'a. Allahumma inni as'aluka. Oh Allah, I am asking you. خَيْرَ مَا سَأَلَكَ مِنْهُ عَبْدُكَ وَنَبِيُّكَ مُحَمَّدٌ صلى الله عليه وسلم. He said, I'm asking you for all the good things that our Prophet Muhammad, your servant Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he made basically all his life. All the good things he's asked for, I'm asking for the same thing in this short moment of a few seconds. وَأَعُوذُ بِكَ, and I am seeking your refuge in you from all the things mimma ta'awwadha minhu abduka wa nabiyyuka Muhammadun sallallahu alayhi wasallam. All the things your prophet ever sought refuge from, all those things in his entire life basically, I'm seeking all those refuge in this moment. Subhanallah. You've got all the Prophet's du'as in this one simple du'a. There's another one he taught us, Allahumma inni as'aluka min al-khayri kulli. Oh Allah, I'm asking you for all the good, every single good. Ajilihi wa ajilihi. Whether it's in my near future, whether it's in my distant future, give me all of them. Ma alimtu minhu wa ma lam a'lam. The things, du'as I know of that I could have asked you for my near future and my far future, and the things I would never have even asked you, Allah give me them also. Wow, look at the beauty of this du'a. Then wa a'udhu bika min ash-sharri kulli. Oh Allah, I am seeking your refuge. I'm seeking your refuge from all those bad things, from all those evil things. Min ash-sharri kulli. Ajilihi wa ajilihi. Whether it's in my near future, whether it's in my far future. Ma alimtu minhu wa ma lam a'lam. Whether I know of it, whether I don't know of it, all those evil things in my near future, far future, I know of it, I don't know of it. Oh Allah, please save me from all of them. Right? What a wonderful dua. In a few seconds, you've captured everything you could capture. Subhanallah.